I'll get you started on all these, but I think some of this needs to just kind of be done and practiced, and you've got to factor in pretty much every case here, but you're factoring differently. So in this case here, I would take out an x. Some of you are going to try and take out a 4 or a 7, but you just can't. You got an x, and then there's a 4x minus 7, and it's equal to 0. You have two different solutions. Set them both equal to 0. Okay, x equals 0. Okay, oops, I did that. And 4x minus 7 equals 0. That means you're going to add 7 to both sides, and then you got to divide by 4. So one of your solutions is 0. The other one is whatever you get when you divide by 4. Leave it as 7 over 4. You don't have to do anything fancy with that. Oops, I solved the whole thing. I would factor that, and since that's a difference of two perfect squares, I would factor that to conjugates, which is 3x plus 5 and 3x minus 5. Because they're both product of each other equal to 0, the zero product property says if I set them both separately equal to 0, solve for x, I'll have my two solutions. Here, add 5 to both sides. I end up with 3x equals 5. Divide by 3, and one of my solutions is 5 over 3, and I'll let you figure out the other one. In this case here, if you factor out the 5 first, just to make your life easier, x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals 0. This 5, even though you can set that equal to 0, that's not going to get you a solution because there's no x. So what you need to do now is factor this. There's a reason why there's only a solution. I'm going to let you finish that. Factor this, set both of them equal to 0, see what you come up with.